In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create professional PDF invoices for your Shopify store. If you've been running your Shopify store for a while, you know how crucial it is to provide your customers with clear, detailed invoices. Not only do they help in maintaining transparent transactions, but they also add a touch of professionalism to your brand. Today, we'll walk through the steps to create, customize, and automatically send these invoices with ease. First, you're going to want to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your control center, where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and look for Apps. Click on it to open the Apps section. Here, you'll find a marketplace full of tools designed to make your Shopify experience even better. In the search bar, type Invoice Apps and hit Enter. A list of various invoicing applications will appear. These apps can make creating invoices a breeze, as they often come with a variety of templates and customization options to suit your branding needs. Choose an app that fits your requirements. One popular choice is an app that offers customizable templates and seamless integration with Shopify. Hit the Add App button and follow the prompts by clicking Install App. Once installed, the app will generally guide you through a setup process. For most apps, it's straightforward. Just grant the necessary permissions and connect it to your store's data. Now that you've installed your invoicing app, it's time to dive into customization. Open the app from the Apps section in your Shopify admin. Inside the app, you'll typically find a variety of invoice templates to choose from. Select a template that complements your brand identity. This is your chance to shine visually, so make sure to include your business logo, preferred color scheme, and any other branding elements that can help reinforce your store's identity. Next, ensure that all the essential fields like product description, prices, tax information, and shipping costs are present in the invoice. Double-check everything because once it's set, it'll be automatically sent to your customers. It's a good idea to include payment terms, return policy, and contact information for any inquiries. This not only makes your invoice informative but also customer-friendly. Most invoicing apps allow you to automate the invoicing process, which is a huge time saver. Head back into your app settings and locate the automation options. Enable order-based triggers so that invoices are automatically sent to customers once a purchase is completed. This automation ensures that you don't have to lift a finger once a sale is made, saving you time and ensuring your customers receive their invoices promptly. Before wrapping up, ensure to test the setup. Place a test order through your shop to see how the invoice looks from a customer's perspective. Adjust any details as needed to ensure your invoice is both functional and visually appealing. And there you have it, a professional, streamlined invoice system up and running for your Shopify store. By following these steps, you'll not only improve customer experience but also enhance the professionalism of your business. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!